Oh my god! Wait, did you make
Oh, that is so cute. Yeah.
And they have the, it was going to be a unicorn. I was going to make a unicorn head.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
gonna look like a floaty.
So. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, cool.
Oh, these birds.
You have your SD card in there? Is your SD card in there? Yes.
It's a sprinkle.
Oh, she's good.
See what they do with the sprinkle.
All right, everybody get together.
Oh my god, that's hysterical. He spits it out. What? Oh, sorry. I ruined it. That's so cute.
It is an SD USB connector. If you really want a new one, we can.
Welcome to the hood, where you can come here and smell marijuana.
Just feeding the birds some pepperoni, some pizza, French fries. Maybe watch you don't get your fingers. We can't use that. There are a lot of seagulls at this park for whatever reason. All over.
A lot of birds.
All over.
Look at all those chickens.
You ready? You ready for dinner? Ready? Oh! That's not what I meant to do. I meant to... That's not what I meant to do! There.
I threw the bag.
On accident. Stop! Oh! Not funny. He made it. I thought a goose bit me. I thought one of them chased me and bit me. I don't know.
Where's your plate? The pebble tag? No, I want to get this other part that's
There are more plants in the box.
Is that why you didn't respond to the house that I sent you?
That was just wrong.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't even look at it.
Oh yeah, it was the wrongest thing.